This is why you still have a financial problem in 2026. You work hard, you earn a decent income, you send money home every month. You have been doing this for years. Yet, despite all the effort, you sometimes wonder why financial freedom still feels far away. The answer may not be your income. It may be where your money goes after you earn it. Many people spend years focusing on earning more money but never focus on owning more assets. They save, they spend, they repeat the cycle. Meanwhile, inflation continues to reduce purchasing power and property prices continue to rise. The result is simple. They work harder every year, but their money does not work harder for them. Many successful OFWs eventually realize that income alone is not enough. They begin converting a portion of their earnings into assets that have the potential to grow in value over time. This is where a property investment, such as Crest Suites, can play a role. Instead of relying solely on future paychecks, you begin building an assets that can serve as a future home, a rental property, or a long-term investment. The goal is not simply to buy real estate. The goal is to own something that continues to provide value long after today's salary has been spent. Years from now, you may not remember every paycheck you receive abroad, but you will remember the assets those paychecks help you acquire. While others spend years working only for income, you spend those years building ownership. That creates option, that creates security, that creates a foundation for your family's future. If you still have financial problems in 2026, the issue may not be that you are working hard enough. The issue may be that your money is not being converted into assets. Income pays today's bill, assets build tomorrow's freedom. The question is not how much you earn, the question is what you own. And every year you delay investing is another year your future has to wait. Now that's the state of it. Stay safe. God bless. Peace.